Ha Nkalakatha, check this in, yeah. Sesifikile. Watch out, Craig Nkalakatha on the building. Sweet. Yeah. Yeah. Nkalakatha. Yeah, Nkalakatha on the scene, you better check the coast. Prolific rap killer, I'm here to take your soul. I'm here to kill every week. Rappers who think they dope, cause in my eyes they already dead, their frequency's too low. I'm that kid, matter of fact, call me pro. Craig Nkalakatha, Juna Mandoza, I'm too ghetto. I'm here to fuck shit up and guess what, and leave them looking up. Kujesu, Inyawul sentanyeni nasebusweni. The pressure I'm giving them, they can't carry. Ngluke nyakupa nyaqeba nqedi, Craig got no mess, Craig akaxoleli. Gijimisa imali ebusuku nasekuseni, ngithanda umadiba no homo angisigay. Ngluke nyakhatha I'm the cara like Lil Wayne. You niggas make me sleep, nisiphathiswa kwe still pain. I cannot rest, man, I gotta get the cash. Pull up to your hood, tata cash, then I dash. I always pass when these girls wanna smash. Jaluta lwakha suka endleleni, we don't need no snack. Me and my niggas, we the winners, that's a fact. Sooner or later ngizobe ngicharge for events, ngizothi send the cash or ngicharge just to collect. I cannot relax, gotta get there and get the flex. Angeke bangenze next, ngibhlungu ngenamba ngathi nguthisha we-maths. Try me next week ungagibela ihes, sekumele ngibe sidudla like DJ Khaled ukuze babone ukuthi I'm the best. These niggas need to work on their selves, they work. These niggas need to pull up their socks or I work. These niggas need to faka more sauce mabapheke cause yeah. When I rap, it's facts, I rock heads, no cap. Crush a beat like a coke can, cause really I can. I make Stoby then, don't know how much I'm worth. When I rap a beat, then I take a nap. Going hard, I won't rest until I see my pockets fed. And I like to learn, but I'm not the type to be tested. I'm on my diva zest, I mean I'm after the bag. The aim is just to be wealthy and change the life of the blacks. I can't wait to be on, I know it will take me long. I got a lot of smoke, this was umboko. I'm not chasing girls, I'm chasing digits. And nigga got the vision, I be on the road to the riches. I'm a beat killer, money chaser, weed spliffer, sweet talker. Prolific and prestigious, me and Kings got the same aura. I'm not weak, chasing money every week, so tall like